Hello there, good day. Thank you for joining the current presentation of SAMI. SAMI stands for Smart API Marketplace, Innovative and Integrated. SAMI is owned by SID Global Solutions, which is based in the US and has branches around the world. And we identify ourselves as digital transformation experts. So currently, we're looking at the landing page of SAMI for all cloud users. As you see, we have certain featured products, different categories, community topics, knowledge base, and a search option for products in multiple categories. So let's log in and proceed to our journey. So currently, we'll log in as the product owner who is going to be onboarding multiple products, setting various features of the products, various assets of the products. So let's dive right in. So loans is a pre-created product with low code and no code. So as you see, we can create the products with a summary, with the product name, different product features. We can upload documents related to the product. We can set SDKs. And finally, the API specs, which are embedded in the SDK as well. So, along with the multiple items or multiple attributes of a product, we also have the frequently asked questions and recommendations, which can be prepared and uploaded or mapped to the product. So, as you see, we also have certain recommended products, which can be defined right here. So, the way we do that, so the current product is hosted in the US. We will be migrating it to the Indian region to comply with the current standards and regulations. So we can add, edit content of the product. It can read the name, descriptions, if it needs to appear as a featured product. We can set multiple product owners or users. We can set it as a free product, a trial based, or you know, we can also monetize the product, right? So there are other multiple options here where we can select the catalog where the product can appear. And finally, with various options listed down here, we can submit it for publication or even just save it as draft and get back to it later, right? So as a product owner, we can also onboard the product using the create product or update the product as we just looked at it. So, how do we create the product using multiple assets, right? So, we can define or add in all those assets right here, right? So, we can add an entry. You can select the name. You can set the name, select an image. You can also use our default content base, or content management system. And select the product what we want to attach it to. Right. So this search is integrated with a many-to-many relationship between all the assets and the products, unless they are limited by permissioning. So we can create multiple assets, be it features, SKUs, or API specs, or FAQs, or documents from this page, all accessible from a single page. Next, we can define multiple rate plans for each of the products and ensure one of them is active for a given product at any point of time, right? We can also view reports for that product once it's built. In case it's a free product, the report is just going to show zero, right? But we may have values here. So we have different options to further explore multiple products, right? Options to create teams and apps. So in order to create an app, or rather define an app, we can select a team. So this is a demo team. We can add multiple people here and create an app. And we can invite multiple members, right? You can also add or remove the members from the team as a product owner. So this amounts to better collab, communication, and access control of the entitlements. So once the rate plan for the product is defined, the user can choose his product and all they have to do is subscribe as a developer. So once the developer is invited to the portal, a mail is going to be sent. Using the mail, which will have the login credentials and the details, the user can come up to the same page, access the developer dashboard, look up to the products here, and they can subscribe, right? So, subscribe basically is going to make the product available to the developer, and the developer can then create an app. So, let's say we create an app called Loan Eligibility. So we can either choose a new team or an existing team. So we have already pre-selected the group. Let's say create an app. So let's select our team, demo team. So you see here, now we have the app info, the secret keys, which can be consumed and accessed by the user. So here under my subscriptions, you're going to see the product which is entitled to the user, and the user can has created this app, loan eligibility, and he can further manage it by enabling this app, disabling this app, inviting new users or new developers to this app to collaborate and further carry on. So apart from these features, we have different features like message boards, featured stories, facts, knowledge base, all which we have covered earlier. We have alerts and announcements, which are going to be site wide and also user specific ones. We also have functionalities of workflows and approvals for every stage of, let's say, adding a product or creating a subscription or adding a rate plan. And we have access to multiple other pages like defining orgs or defining multiple rate plans and viewings to the subscribe rate plans. Okay, so thank you for joining in for a more detailed description and a journey of how we can take Sami through. Contact us on a support at sami-connect at gs.com. Thank you.